Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make soya beans kebab. It tastes very delicious and it also serves as a meat for any vegetarian, so I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. So over here I've soaked my soya beans overnight and I have removed the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer them into a blender and I'll blend it until it's nice and smooth. So it's done blending at this point. I'm going to go ahead and use cheesecloth to strain the soya beans milk from the chaff. So now we have our creamy soya beans milk. So at this point I'm going to transfer it into another saucepan and bring it to a boil. So I'll keep stirring at this point until it's hot enough to touch, and I'll turn the heat off. Now I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'll gradually add the vinegar. You can also use fresh lemons and squeeze the juice in place of the vinegar if you have it available. So now I'm going to wait it until it starts forming cloth. So as you can see, it has started forming cloth and this is how it looks like. So I'll now let it sit for it to cool down before straining. And at this point it has cooled down. So I'll now scoop them into the cheesecloth again to separate the water from the cheese or tofu. So as you can see, this is the liquid. So I'm going to throw it away. We don't need it at this point. Now in the next process, I'm going to leave it in a small basket to drain the excess water, and I'm going to do this by adding some heavy objects on it to drain the excess water out overnight. And if you have watched until this far and you are enjoying this recipe, please kindly give me a thumbs up, like, and also share, and kindly subscribe as well. So this is the next day. It has been sitting for about more than 7 hours, and as you can see, it's nice and soft. So I'll now go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. So next I'm going to transfer them into another bowl and I'm going to season it with some spices. So to it, I'm adding some vegetable seasoning, turmeric powder, onion powder, ginger powder, and garlic powder, and also a little bit of oil and some paprika powder. I'll now give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. So it's done at this point. Now I've heated my oil and I'm going to go ahead and fry them until it's nice and golden. And as you can see, it's frying so beautiful. So if you are a vegetarian, you should try this recipe and I hope you will like it. So the first one is all done. I'm now removing it to set it aside and also cool down. And I'll continue the process until it's done. Next, I'm going to season it with some Suya spice. You can have it just the way it is at this point, but I'm going to add some chopped onions and some capsicum, and I'm going to arrange them on skewers. So at this point, I've arranged them on the skewers, so I'm going to transfer them onto a baking tray and warm it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nicely done. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. This is a very simple recipe, and if you haven't tried this recipe before, I recommend trying it, and I hope you like and enjoy it. So this is how it looks like, soya beans kebab. It tastes very delicious and healthy as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.